date a guy that doesn't have PVC? Why am I behaving like this? Why am I behaving like this?
Okay, then. Okay, I'll go look for you.
You go and look for
Please, you understand.
So, okay, how do you expect me to get married to a guy that doesn't have PVC?
No, don't worry, I'll get it.
I'm no longer interested in this fucking relationship.
I'll get the PVC.
I don't need you to get it now. I need a guy that has it right now.
How do you follow anybody?
Anybody.
No,
Even
no, no,
Please
no.
stop this car.
Are you serious? You are going down.
I said I'm done.
What is really happening? No. No, you cannot live like that.
I'm not interested.
No, please understand me.
If you don't have your PVC, then it's over. What don't you understand? It's
Whatever you
over.
want, I'll give anything you want.
Oh, you think it's all about money? You think it's all about car or houses? What we need now in this country is our PVC.
I'll get
and
it.
It's very
I
important.
get it. I'll get it.
You will get it.
There's
Over
house
5
for you,
years.
there's car for you, there's money for you. Why do you want
I
you
don't
want
need
the
those
PVC
things.
again?
I need
Leave
PVC.
PVC and let us move on now.
Oh, you think I can't get a guy that I can't secure my future?
For your future, they are secure already.
It can't be secure without PVC.
There's our money. I forget about
I
PVC.
don't need money. I need PVC, and I'm ready to date any guy that has it right now.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Are you
Even if
very
it's
serious?
I'm damn serious. Even if it's
So
a
you
madman.
follow anybody?
Even if it's a madman.
Common PVC.
It's not common. Then you will know the importance of it right now.
I don't understand. I don't really understand.
As I'm
What is
talking, if I see, you think it's madness, huh? You think it's I have my own, and you need to have yours. If you really want to get married to me, you need your PVC for the future of my children.
Okay, I'll get it.
I'm not.
But I'll get my...
Government don't be scam, you better go get PVC. You don't too suffer problem yapa as you dey on strike. If you like, make you vote for APC. If you like, make you vote for PDP.
PVC.
Encourage your husband to
Please, I don't need him. I don't need him.
Are you leaving for this man, for this fool?
I said I don't.
Oh, Mumu, not too much.
You are leaving to go PVC. PVC.
I don't need him anymore. I love you.
You people are the ones defending our
No, I'm a changed person now. We need change in this country. I'm ready to stay with you. I love you.